their time is very appreciated. I enjoy having them in. I enjoy watching the children with the volunteers. We've got people that can't come in even and do things at home for our classroom, which is still very important. Volunteering on any level. We've got United Way coming in, JA coming in, we've got parents at home, we've got mothers, fathers, grandmothers, grandfathers, aunts, uncles, older siblings. Everybody loves to come in to a kindergarten classroom and give of their time.
I've been volunteering here at Hoover for almost 20 years. My children went here, my brothers went here, and two of my grandchildren went here. So it's a very important school to me. I started volunteering when my grandchildren were in Miss Freeman's class, and I've enjoyed it so much. My husband and I work on projects at home, and I come in on Fridays to volunteer, and I love it. It just makes me feel so needed. I get my dose of children, which I love, and it's very meaningful to me.
They're really nice, and we appreciate them because they choose to take off work and help